Careful, it's heavy. I know, just a little more to the left. Yeah.
Are the baskets heavy, sister?
A little, but we are done now. The sunset is beautiful.
Bring it out now. Okay, set it down gently. Clear on the belt.
The flow rate on line 3 is dropping. Adjust the feeder speed immediately to clear the bottleneck.
Moisture levels are fluctuating again on line 3.
I see it. Adjusting the dryer temperature now. Looks stable.
The data here shows we've increased the synchronization speed.
Yes, the adjustments are holding steady across all units.
The flow rate on line 3 is dropping.
Adjusting the pressure valve now. It's stable.
Good. Yield is consistent again.
In this expeller press schematic, seeds are crushed by the rotating screw. The golden oil is efficient.
The levels in tank 4 are stable.
I have the sample ready for the lab. The color looks good.
We have a pressure fluctuation on extractor 3. Rerouting the flow now.
Level stabilizing. The bypass worked. Monitor closely for the next 5 minutes.
Look at the fluctuation here during the degumming phase.
It's within tolerance, but let's keep an eye on the temperature.
We have a critical temperature alert in the main fractionator.
Adjusting the reflux rate now. The pH levels are dropping back into range.
Clear on the left. Bring it back slowly. We need the next one staged by the door.
All manifests checked. This truck is cleared for international transport.
Bring it in slowly, watch the left side. Okay, almost there, push it right.
Reroute the Asia Pac shipment through the Suez alternative immediately.
Confirmed. The new ETA is updated on the main board.
From farm to bottle, pure sunflower oil made with care. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share for more.